In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can fix Astro A50 headset stop working. Now, if you've tried everything from connecting a wired connection to headset onto your computer, contacting customer support, resetting the headset, and more, basically there's only one solution to fix this problem, which is to completely hard reset the headset. Now the question is, how can you do that? You want to go ahead and head over to your headset right here, and beside you will be able to find the game option, and right beside that or onto the opposite side of that we then have the Dolby Atmos button. Now you want to hold the game button right here, and if you turn your headset you then want to hold this specific button for around 20 seconds. So as you can see, you're now holding the game button and the button right here. It will then flash for around 3 seconds, and from there this basically means that you have fixed this problem. Now from time to time this problem can occur, so you can just basically repeat the same steps, and from there you will be able to fix this problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.